Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I will request that if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it. Watch our video till end, and if you like our video, then hit the bell shape. The video is about the Boeing 777-8 creativity. We will show you that why this latest plane is different from all other the planes. Actually, this plane is unrivaled performance. GE9X technology. It is the latest technology that is being used in these planes. The specialty of this technology is that its fuel consumption and cost of operating is 10% lower than other the crafts. It have a balanced design approach focused on efficiency. It have advanced connectivity. It have 777X touch screens, better aerodynamics. It means that its wings are folding wingtips, and wings are very excellent condition. Further, it have unmatched network growth opportunities. It have an enhanced cabin environment that have larger bins, larger extra ultra large cabins. It have fresh flight experience, growth for future, fly to more places, and all new composite wing. Its cabins are wider, its windows are larger. The windows larger mean that it is giving everyone view. The main specialty is its wider cabin, that is 4-inch wider cabin. Its name is 777-8. It have capacity of 384 passengers. Its price is $410 million. Thank you.